In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Viber call settings to customize your voice and video call experience. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Now tap the More tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings, then tap on Calls and Messages. Here, you can change different call settings, such as enabling or disabling low data mode to reduce mobile data usage during Viber calls. You may also find additional call options, depending on your device and the version of Viber you're using. Simply adjust the available settings to match your preferences. Your changes will be saved automatically. You can return to this menu at any time to update your call settings or switch them back. And that's it. Now you know how to change call settings on Viber to improve your voice and video call experience. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips, settings, and how-to tutorials.